Hello, I'm Laura from Greenery Floral Design, and today I'm going to show you how to make a gorgeous festive garland which you can use to decorate your stairway, mantelpiece or table this Christmas. For this, the hardware items you'll need are a length of jute rope, twine and some sharp garden cutters or floristry scissors. You can pick all of these up from your local hardware store or order them online. We're using twine because it's biodegradable, so leaves less of a footprint than floral foam or plastic mechanics. Then you want a mountain of beautiful seasonal greenery. We have pine, eucalyptus, conifer and ivy, so we'll use these to make a rough base and then we'll add some more trailing, draping foliage and decorative bits once the garland is in place. Firstly, work out the length of garland you need. For a mantle, we want the length of the mantelpiece plus a little drape at each end. For stairs, you ideally want a few swathes or waves rather than a straight line for a more natural look. Cut your rope accordingly and tie a knot in each end. Make bundles of 15 or 20 centimetre lengths of your foliage, mixing your varieties in each bundle. Starting at one end, use the twine to tie a bundle onto your rope. Once it's secured, tie another bundle slightly overlapping the first, with the foliage flowing in the same direction, and then continue along the full length of the rope. I tend to put the garland into position at this stage to see what needs to be added and topped up. I love a natural look with trailing and draping foliage, so once it's secured to the banister, add longer pieces of foliage like ivy, simply by pushing the stems into the existing garland. Then if you want to add more texture and decorative items, you could include cones, lotus seed heads, citrus, berries or hips. To make this extra special, I sometimes add fresh flowers hydrated in reusable water tubes. Roses, hydrangea or big chrysanthemum blooms in festive shades look gorgeous on the table tucked amongst the foliage. Then you can just remove or replace them as the season progresses. In terms of when to make this, I would leave it until later in the festive season. It doesn't have a water source, and being displayed inside your home, it will be subjected to the heating and also bumps and knocks as people walk past. Spritz it with water regularly, and you can always replace any bits of foliage that dry out, topping it up with fresh greenery. So there we go, a beautiful, natural, festive garland filled with scented seasonal greenery.